morning, my dear students of class 4. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video session, chapter 6, division. At first you have to know what is division. Division is an operation just opposite to multiplication. In division operation, a group of things or numbers are distributed into equal parts. So what is the importance of division operation? To distribute a group of things or numbers into equal parts. Let's see an example. If we distribute 10 chocolates equally among 5 students, then each student will get 10 divided by 5 equals to 2 chocolates. What is the process? Here 10 is divided by 5. From multiplication table of 5, you will get 5 to the 10. Thus, in this division, 5 is divisor, 10 is dividend, 2 is quotient and 0 is remainder. Quotient 2 is written here, remainder 0 is written here, and 5 as divisor is written here, and 10 is dividend. Now there are two types of division. One, division without remainder, and division having remainder. Division without remainder is this first division, that is this. Now I will explain division having remainder. Divide 1248 by 15. Here, using multiplication table of 15, you will get 15 8s are 120, that is this, and after subtracting 120 from 124, you will get 48. Again, using multiplication table of 15, you will get 15 3s are 45. After this subtraction, you will get 3 as remainder. So, in this division, quotient is 83 and remainder is 3. Now, I will explain the process of this division. First step, start division from extreme left of dividend. So, here dividend is 1248. That's why the division starts from this side. Step 2. Here divisor is 15 and it is of 2 digits. Step 3. At first you have to take first 2 digits of dividend, that is 12. But 12 is less than 15, so you have to take another digit from dividend, thus it become 124. This one. Now divide 124 by 15. Next step, using multiplication table of 15, 15 8s are 120 and 15 9s are 135. As 124 is greater than 120 and 135 is greater than 124, so take 8 as quotient, that is 15 8s are 120. Now write 120 under 124 and subtract these two numbers to get 4 remains. This is the process. This 4 is written. Now next step. Carry 8 down with remainder 4. This 8 is coming down. So now you have to divide 48 by 15. Again we use multiplication table of 15 and continue the above mentioned process. Thus, divide 48 by 15 equals to 3 with remainder 3. So, 83 will be the quotient in this division. This is the total explanation of this division. Now, you have to remember a formula. Dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Why this formula is important? Because this formula is very useful to find a dividend provided when quotient, divisor and remainder are given. So students, this is the end of today's video session. I hope all of you has understood it. Thank you.